Dialpad's got some differences in not just architecture, but also in some of the features that are built into it. Can you speak to maybe some of those features that set you guys apart from that competition?
Absolutely, great question. So we have 4 products at Dialpad. So we have our Dialpad Talk, which is our UCaaS solution or PBX replacement. We've got Uber Conference, which is our video and collaboration solution. We've got Dialpad Contact Center, as well, which is our inbound sales or inbound support contact center, and then we have a sales dialer functionality called Dialpad Sell. This is amazing.
Yeah, that is amazing. So, Geoff, we've kind of covered a lot of different topics. Is there anything else you think that you want to mention that kind of is maybe a differentiator for Dialpad?
Thank you. I really think that where we are in the space today, we're definitely ahead in the artificial intelligence as it's inclusive of the UCaaS and the CCaaS market. So we are definitely at that forefront. A lot of other players have it, but they have to add. There's expensive add-ons that go along with bringing that in, and being able to do it in real time really sets us apart. I encourage you to, if you're interested in Dialpad, get a demo of it, see how it works, because when I do demos daily, my team does demos daily, people are really blown away by how accurate the voice is. Now, from an accuracy perspective, I think you have to legally say it's like 80%. Mine's pretty darn good, and people see it, and I'm not scared to leave it up while I'm talking, which goes to show how far this technology has come. I think we really differentiate ourselves. We really differentiate ourselves as a mobile first solution, where you've got, yes, we can absolutely support desk phones. We support the Polycom VVX line on our product, but everything is really user interface focused. So our Dialpad app on a laptop, whether it's a Mac, a PC, a Chromebook, a browser, that's all functions exactly the same. And whether you have an Android or an iOS device, the mobile, they're exactly the same. You don't experience anything different. And I think a lot of that inherent user interface advantage comes from, we have a lot of our designers came from YouTube, right? They know how to build a consumer facing product that looks very consumer centric that people like to go to. I liken Dialpad to a consumer looking enterprise application because it's super easy to use no matter what device you're using. And then we bring in all these other functionalities like voice intelligence and our analytics and contact center. So you can use an entire suite of products to make your businesses run better.
Yeah, and I can tell you a couple of things that we love about it. Number one is the fact that you can do SMS to that number. So it's a smart number because I have a lot of clients that literally text my DID, which is awesome because then I don't have to give out my cell phone number. But the other thing too is just the fact that I can move that call from one platform to another. I can open up my cell phone, I can be on my desktop talking to you or a customer or somebody else, and then I can pick up my cell phone, open up the Dialpad app, and it says switch to this device. I just hit a button and walk out the door. That to me is beautiful. I love the fact that I can do that because you know how it is in this industry. We're so mobile. We're taking calls in the car or at a coffee shop or wherever. But that's the things that we just love about it. If you want to see a demo of Dialpad, feel free to reach out to us here at VocalPoint Consulting. We'll get you set up. I can introduce you to Geoff and we can talk about it and see if it's a good fit for your business. So Geoff, thanks so much for jumping in here today. I appreciate it. I'm Derek Rausch, and that's the point. Okay, so here's the question, guys. How has 2020 changed the way that you communicate both internally with your employees and externally with your customers? Follow the link below to our LinkedIn company page, and you can post your answer there.